Legends Closets here with another great video of imaginext and a bunch of toys that I got yesterday, and my grandpa's train collection of brass cars. Let's start off with this one here. Nice little beauty. Don't mind my dog, he's whining, he needs attention. Nice little piece here. That's the scale test car. We also have this is a kid needs put together, but this is a little caboose here. There's the name of the shop from Aurora. We also have decals of this one and paperwork. And there it is. There's that piece. Little piece of beauty here. Let's see. Oh, there it is. It's a gallon tank. 20,000 gallon tanker. What else we have? We also have another piece here of a little car. See. Let's see. That's the company. That's where it's from. If you think this is boring, fast forward to the toys. But we're almost done here with the trains. We also have another gas tanker. Oil tanker, little HON3. There it is, made in Japan. That's all we have here of my grandpa's collection here. Last bit of it, all brass. And also yesterday I got some imaginext Toy Story. You got Buzz Lightyear. We also have man, I almost forgot what his name is. Buzz Lightyear, Andy's friend. Can't think of his name, but we also have Spoonie. And what we have here also is the Grinch figures here, all together with the dog Max. We also have him Grinch drinking coffee and painting his nails. And a little bit of mini Funko Pops of the Marvels. We have Spider-Man, Ant-Man, Black Panther, and Groot. And Woody, that's his name. His little rope there. And that's all we have, guys. Thank you for tuning in this channel. Tune in to next time. Love you guys. Peace.